Hey, it's Biddy Penny, and I'm back with a Tailor-Made Cards for You design team project. If you didn't catch last week's video, I'm using an ephemera set that's Christmas advertisements, and it's so wonderful. Last week I made a He's Crafty with Santa Claus, and this week I'm going to keep it classy. So I'm going to make two 5x7 cards. I like to switch it up to 5x7 on occasion. I definitely have quite a few spellbinder sets that are ideal for 5x7, and they're very elegant and beautiful. So I wanted to use one of those today to go along with this ephemera. In my next video, I'll show y'all all the ephemera that comes in this kit. It's quite incredible. It's 3 sheets full, and I just take the pieces I want, make them the size I want, and then make the cards I want. So this is the 2 I chose this week. I'm just going to glue down this die cut that I did, and I did it in this soft, like ballerina pink color cardstock, and I just thought it was so precious, and I wanted to use another ephemera kit from Taylormadecards4u. To be honest, I purchased it a while back and I can't remember what it's called, but I will leave it linked below for you. It is perfect for Christmas. It's got Santa Claus and angels and choir boy, and a deer is just so precious. So, in fact, I used a piece of it in a Halloween card that I had made. So, it's been a little while since I've had it, but I loved it, and I thought the little angel just went perfectly with this pink. It matched her little dress, and so I have an aunt who loves angels, and so I will be sending her this card. I did bring in some white organza ribbon and tied it on. That way I had kind of 3 main features going to odd numbers there, so no big surprise. So I have the organza, I have the sentiment, home for the holidays, and the angel. So I'm just popped this part up. And I went ahead and reinforced the thread with a little bit of glue as well. And here I'm just going to shift things and play around to make sure that for the most part I have the sentiment centered, was what I was going for. I had so much fun coming up with these. They were simple and quick to make. From beginning to end, I made these 2 cards in 17 minutes. I'm a nerd. I like to time myself and see how long it takes me. So it took me 17 minutes to make these 2 cards. And I just think they're so beautiful. I know exactly who I'll send them to and which family members will enjoy them. The one with the buffalo check is going to go to some family members in Arizona, and they live on a buffalo ranch, so it seems fitting, right? And they're 2 wonderful men, so I can't wait to send those off to them. And I did go ahead and kind of rough up the edges of this ephemera tag. I just wanted to kind of, add another texture to the card. And now I've got to dust everything off. If you don't have one of those, that's a little Tim Holtz tonic tool. If you don't have that, you can use the blade of your scissors. And I'm going to pop that up. I decided to glue down the centerpiece. I'm going to pop this piece up, and then I'm going to pop up the outer edge. So, just kind of changing it up from the first card a little bit. I think this card would have looked really cute with the deer that comes in the other ephemera pack. I just couldn't find it, to be honest. I think I've already used it. I love deer. I love deer and bunnies and dogs. I think I love animals. We'll just leave it at that. But I especially love those. Oh, and I love octopus for some reason. Anyways, dolphins. I love them all. So, anyways, I just think this would be so cute with a deer on it. I just, and there's one in that ephemera pack. I just didn't have it available to me when I was making these. If you could see there, I was gluing down the edges. They were kind of curling up. This is a glossy paper. Okay, I want to share this with you guys. I bought some adhesive at scrapbook.com, and I am so excited about it. So I had been buying those little Darcy foam strips, and they were fine. The Stampin' Up! Ones, they're fine. But for your money, you will get so much more foam tape and it's fabulous if you order it from scrapbook.com. They have 1/4 inch, eighth. This is the 1/8 inch that I'm using here in these long strips. You get 5 sheets of those in each package. They're only $1 more than the Doris, and you get a ton more. So I would definitely recommend them. That's the only place I'm going to order it going forward. And I love now that I have 1/2 inch, 1/8 inch, and 1/4 inch in my stash. So this would have been a great shaker card. I just honestly didn't think about it until I had half the foam tape on that outer piece. But that would have been so fun to turn that into a shaker. So maybe you could try that. All right, so I dig through my collection of sequins, and this is my white and ivory little cubby box. And I decide on ivory just to tie in that ephemera piece a little bit more since there's so much white already on the card. And when this is a single-sided printed paper that I made my card base out of, so when they open it, it's going to be white as well, except for I added tan paper on the inside. So I'm trying to tie together the ivory and the white. They can go together. You just need to have balance when you're using both, is my opinion. All right, so I tacked down some of these iridescent ivory sequins, and I think they really made this card pop and made it beautiful. I'm so excited to have 2 more cards done, ready to send out to loved ones. I'm excited to share this kit with you guys. Definitely check out the link below. I will link both ephemera packs that I used today at Taylormadecards4u. You can go check them out. And I hope you enjoyed the projects. Super simple, super fast, and super classy. All right, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, please. Please subscribe if you haven't. If you're new, welcome. And come back and check out the next video. Talk to y'all later. Bye.